Hi guys, Ewan Thomas here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use speed polish. This stuff's amazing. It really is the ultimate all-in-one polish and wax that will keep your pride and joy looking fresh. It can't be helped. Wear and tear, I've got to be honest, there's quite a few marks on the fuel tank. I see some fingerprints. Not an issue, this will get rid of any imperfections. Time to get a nice, quick and even application across all of the paintwork. While it's doing its thing, let me explain. The beauty of this product is it leads to hydrophobic, water-resistant barriers, so in the future, when water does hit your paintwork, it will bead straight off. Right, the speed polish has done its thing. It's looking hazy. I've got myself my microfiber cloth. Give it a good buff. Wow, it looks amazing. You might ask yourself, how is it looking so good? Well, it could be to do with the fact it contains Carnauba wax. That's the best natural wax there is. It protects it, it looks great, and it's bubblegum scented. It smells amazing. Well, there you have it. Speed polish, quick and easy. Check out our YouTube for other how-tos.